Boom, and we're back, jumping straight in, covering and summarising Tony Robbins' Unlimited Power. We are now on to the fourth key principle from the book. Use eye movement to activate your brain for improved memory and creativity. Here's another exercise for your mind's eye. Picture the face of someone who is thinking. There's a good chance that you pictured someone with their eyes pointed up and toward the right. You'll probably notice too that this is a typical expression for a cartoon or comic book character who's thinking. Try asking yourself a tricky question, such as, how many windows does your house have? And see what happens. You probably look up and to the right as you try to picture each room and count it. This is a standard reflex, triggered by an attempt to remember something. For some left-handed people, the eyes will go up to the left. Here's another exercise. Imagine what you would look like with 3 eyes, or picture a creature that has the head of a lion, the body of a lizard, and a scorpion's tail. This time, you'll notice that your eyes only move sideways, not upwards. That's because these are new images, not ones stored in your memory bank. Believe it or not, knowing about these eye movements can actually improve your memory and creativity. The next time you're trying to remember something, like the ingredients for a complex recipe, look up and to the right. This will help you tap into the part of your brain that stores memories and hopefully results in a tasty meal. On the other hand, if you're asked to develop an advertising campaign for your company's newest product, you can help yourself out by looking to the right. Instead of reaching into your memory bank, this will tap into the creative part of your brain that visualizes new solutions.